Battalion 3, dispatch.
Battalion 3.
Lightning strike in the field, catching it on fire. There are 2 adjoining buildings 15 to 20 yards away. For the weather, we have 72 degrees. Your humidity is 32, winds are 8.
Battalion 3, copy.
Battalion 3, dispatch. Battalion 3, dispatch.
Go ahead.
Additional for the cautionary information, the 2 buildings at this location are on fire watch. There's no water there.
I copy.
Dispatch, if we do have a small plume in the air as well, we're almost unable to do better size in a second.
Copy, small plume, 1642.
Brush 42, I'm going to have you meet up where the pumper's going to be located in NDC. We're trying to find best access for you.
Brush 42, copy.
Safety 2, small brush fire, map page S31D6403, South Uvalde Street. Safety 2, small brush fire.
Where are we off at this?
Currently on scenes, moving 50 by 50, you're stretching now. You'll be offensive, and just a heads up, there is additional lightning strikes in the area this time. 1635.
Engine 15, safety 2.
Go ahead, buddy.
I'm sure you just saw there's a lot of lightning in that area. I don't know if you guys can, but maybe wait for the brush truck and see if they can just hit it mobile in their rig instead of being out in that field.
Copy that. Brush 42, are you able to see best access to your map right now?
Pulling up right where you guys are at. Is there access here?
Maybe just to our north there's a path. You might just come down this path. Looks light enough for you.
Copy, we'll check the north and try and get on that path.
Cyan 3, dispatch.
Go ahead.
The highest risk for lightning strikes will be about the next 15 minutes, according to weather.
I copy, thanks.
1547.
Engine 44, Medic 44, Medical Assist, NAP page W31C at SM Station 44, 12625, East Lincoln Avenue. Engine 44, Medic 44, Medical Assist.
District 1, dispatch.
Good.
RP is a neighbor reporting that there was a lightning strike on a tree. There's no smoke or flames at this time. 67 degrees, humidity 39, your winds are north 11 to 17, and the RP does not believe anybody is home at this time.
Okay, copy. Break ladder 34, don't follow me. My MGT's not working. I got it.
And additional District 1, dispatch.
Good.
Highest chance of lightning is going to be for the next 15 minutes.
Copy.
1648.
Command to 10. I'm on scene. I'll go ahead and assume command. Is that you right in front of me? I see down in the marsh area there.
Yeah, we're grabbing some tools off Rush 42 right now. We're going to extend our line right now for crossway.
Right, copy. We're going to have lightning for the next 15 minutes, so I want you guys to stay out of there if possible. I'm going to get some more resources coming this way.
Okay, so you don't want us to engage?
Stand by on that. Rig dispatch, potential.
Battalion 3, go ahead.
I'm on scene. I'm assuming command. Start me additional suppression and brush. Dispatch, ladder 34.
Letter 34, stand by.
34, go ahead. Ladder 34 is on scene of a small two-story residential structure with nothing shown from two sides. It'll be all sent to the investigate. Safety 2. What does this look like on that north end there? What do we got over there? I'm not on scene yet. I'll take a look. Alright, copy. Yeah, when you get on scene, swing around in the north. Get eyes on that for me. Copy.
South Uvalde Street. Brush 22, Tower 35, small brush fire.
Engine 15, clear.
Go ahead, Chief.
Are you able to reach that with your hose stream rather than stretching all the way out in the middle?
Knocking it down.
1, small brush fire.
Command, Brush 42.
Go ahead.
We're sending progressives out here. Been standing water. It's just that cattails. We got this one little head you see. I think if we get that, we'll have it.
You're covered by the wind a little bit there, but yeah, I think if we can get water on that one, a little jackpot of fuels there, we should be all right. Command 62. Go ahead. Yeah, it's all cattails for about another 100 yards till you reach a decent-sized pond, and then the road. All right, I copy. Thanks. Yeah, now they're saying the tree got struck, not the house, so.
Understood.
Command 52. Go ahead. Head to that building to the west where there's Arapahoe County, see if there's better access over there. All right, copy.
Command dispatch.
Go ahead.
I just sent you a picture. In the cattails is what appears to be a pretty deep pond. Just a safety message for you, kind of tucked away.
All right, copy. Thanks. I think we got eyes on it.
Engine 41, Medic 41, standby in the area, map page Y35A10921, South Parker Road. Engine 41, Medic 41, standby in the area.
Command, Brush 42.
Go ahead.
We got the progress stops. We'll be mopping up.
I copy. Got progress stop here working on mop up. I got a couple additional resources coming to help you guys out. Do you want me to continue those? At least an engine company?
I think you can pick them up. I think we got it.